Hey everyone, I'm Santosh Yadav. Welcome to my channel where the code is clean, even my life is not. Alright, before we start, just look at these two apps. Same features, same UI, same results. This one is the XML version, looks like it needs a cup of coffee and a weekend break. And this one is the Compose version, looks like it just woke up after a 10-hour power nap. Both do the same thing, add a task and show it in a list. Let me show you these applications in action. Like if we add in XML version. So basically we are entering some items and just adding it, and those items are being shown in the list below. So let's do it in Compose version. As simple as that. Nothing fancy, just to-do list item. But one took multiple files, adapter and XML layouts, and the other basically one Kotlin file. Let me show you how wildly different they could actually are. Okay, let's just start with the file count. In XML version, we have one activity file, two XML layouts, one for activity and one for item row for the list item, and one adapter class for list view. On the other hand, if we see in the Compose version, we have only one Kotlin file. No adapters, no XML, no view binding, no stress-induced debugging session at 2 a.m. and one composable, one file, one happy developer. If we talk about UI structure, in XML, UI lives in one file and your logic lives in another file and your updates live in nightmares. You constantly jump around like you are doing cardio for updating like UI, then updating your logics, and Compose says, like, let's put everything together so you don't lose your sanity. What you write is exactly what you see. If you talk about state handling, this is where it gets spicy. In XML, update list, update adapter, notify dataset change, and hope for the best. And Compose says, relax, I will take it from here. No notify calls, no adapters crying for attention. It's reactive, it's just works. Now, coming to the development speed, XML is no doubt powerful and we respect it. It worked so Compose could run. But XML also comes with more files, more boilerplate, and more weight. Why is this crashing moment? Compose less code, fewer moving parts, faster development, and fewer chances to break things unintentionally. So even for from this small comparison, you can feel the difference. So let's dive into each one properly. Here is the XML version, our good old reliable friend since the early Android days. We create an XML layout with the edit text, button, and recycler view. Then we inflate everything in the activity using find view by ID or binding. Then comes the adapter, the view holder, the notify calls, the whole family tree. It works reliably and we have built apps with it for a decade. But even a small feature often grows into a full checklist, layout file, adapter, view holder, and suddenly you are thinking all this just to show a list. Now take a look at the Compose version. One file, one screen, everything together like a peaceful joint family. We use text field, button, lazy column inside composable functions. State is handled using remember and mutable state of like this, and change the list UI update automatically. No adapter, no XML layout, no notified dataset changed. So after all these comparisons, we have to answer one question here. Which one should we use or which one should we choose? If you're starting a new project, Compose is the clear winner. If you are working in a legacy app where the XML is basically part of building foundation, then XML still makes sense. But if you are learning Android development today, Compose is the future. Android devs of 2030 will thank you. If this comparison helped you and saved you from future XML headaches, hit the like button. Comment below, are you switching to Compose or are you still loyal to XML? Either way, I would love to hear your story. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.